Okay, a quarter turn at a time, creasing and folding as you go.
Sarah, that's not right.
Okay, well, that's because I'm creasing and folding at the same time and you're just standing there.
Now's not the time to lose focus, darling.
This was your idea. You're the one who allegedly designed the boxes.
Yes, so try to keep up. Okay, now time to separate the top and the bottom.
We've already done that.
What number are we on?
Oh my God, are these not your boxes?
Yes, and now I'm teaching it to you, so try to keep up.
Okay, next step is to fold in the tabs.
What does that mean? What does fold in the tabs mean?
You fold them in.
I understand that, but how? Do you fold them in like this? Do you leave them on the outside? What do you do?
Sarah, I cannot show you everything.
Okay, well, can you show me one thing?
Okay, here's what you do. You just fold them in.
Okay, I don't know how to fold tiny tabs like that.
And I don't know how to be any clearer. You take that thing that's in your hand and
If you say fold in one more time,
it says fold them in.
these are your boxes. You fold the tabs in then.
Don't you dare.
You fold them in. You should have made a video.
I did make a video.
Visit thecookiecountess.com/boxes for assembly videos.
Sarah!